Alright, so I am going to order a print and frame, and we're going to do a 16 by 24. It's just basically $60 plus shipping, but we'll see how much shipping is on this. And the frame, that's the cool part, is with the Xpozer frames, you you just have the print and you can order new prints and use the same print later on. A replacement print for this size is $40. So basically they're charging $10 for a reusable frame, which is pretty good really, because that means you're sort of saving them having to manufacture more frames for you. So this is pretty cool. We'll just see how this goes. We're gonna hit upload. And I'm gonna drag a file that I want to print. And it's nice to give the option to choose from multiple sources, but I'm going to just go with one for my computer. We're going to hit done. All right, and we are going to order this. Looks like shipping to California is $10. I'm not in California, so we'll see what happens when we get to the to switch the where it's going to. All right, so I put in New Jersey. The shipping is still $10. So it's coming out to $70 for a 16 by 24 print with a reusable frame. And now we wait for the order to arrive. The Xpozer came in this really cool triangle box for a good reason. When you open up the box, the first thing you'll notice is that there's a little bit of instructions. And as you open it up more, you'll find, now right now this is empty. Let me show you what was inside of this box. What was inside was this. This was the beginning of a tutorial on how to set up the Xpozer. In this little triangle area was the print that I ordered, rolled and wrapped into a little tube. And then once you open that up, the frame, the hardware was underneath with further instructions. Let me show you what you do with this. The first thing you'll notice is that the prints actually have these little plastic brackets on it. The print is beautiful. It has a film on the front, and when the light hits this, it looks absolutely gorgeous. The print quality is fantastic. The colors look exactly as they did on my iMac that way. I had color calibrated. Everything looked great there, and it came out in print just as good. In the box was this. This is the wall mount for the Xpozer. You would take one screw, and it came with a screw and a molly, and you would put it in there. It'll self-balance, and then the frame actually just sits right in that. It's not a permanent thing. That's the fun of the Xpozer, is that you can change the photo and remove it from the wall very easily. There are three pieces to this frame. One goes into one of the side brackets, or top brackets if it's a portrait, and one goes in here spring-loaded, not spring-loaded. The important thing is to make sure that the frame is both these clips on the end are actually angled the same direction, and then you grab your print and you put your print on the frame. So I'm gonna do it like this, and I'm gonna start this way, even though this is a landscape print, not a vertical print. You slip it in, you grab another corner, and you slip that in. Then you go to the other end, and you slip it in there, on down there. And I'm gonna go a little horizontal for this. You slip that in, and then you add some tension. With a little bit of tension on the back, you now have your Xpozer print on the Xpozer frame. You can then mount it to the wall and then peel off the static covering that's on here. I'm leaving it on for the time being because this print is actually a gift from my in-laws, and I don't want to get it ruined. So I'm actually gonna roll it back up after this video, put it away, and then when I give it to them again, assemble it, mount to the wall. You screw in the brackets to the wall, and you'll basically have this big piece of plastic hanging. You turn your print backwards, and you go to your wall where you just mounted this bracket, and then you just sit the frame on the bracket, like so. And it's pretty sturdy. Because you're using one screw, it's kind of self-balancing. The weight should take care of it. If it doesn't, you can easily just turn it a little bit. So don't make the screw too tight, let it self-balance. That's the Xpozer. The beautiful thing about the Xpozer is that if my in-laws decide they ever want to replace the print, we can just order a different print, just the print, not the frame, the same size, and save some money and not have to reframe and all that stuff. Anytime we can replace this print very easily. And as you saw in the beginning of this video, that you can actually order just the print or the print and the frame. Pretty cool. Big kudos to the team at Xpozer for making a product that is super simple and very well made. Both the frame and the print came out incredible. And thank you for allowing me to order one. Yes, for those watching, full disclosure, I did not have to pay for that. But I always share my honest opinion, and if I was not happy with the print, trust me, I would have told you I was not happy with the print. But I was. Xpozer did a great job. If you like this video, click that subscribe button. Right now, I publish new videos every Monday and Thursday. You don't wanna miss it. And karate kick the notification bell.